Meaning of flexion.
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 Flexion. Flexion refers to the action of bending or the state of being bent. This term is commonly used in anatomy and physiology to describe the movement of joints, muscles, and limbs. In general, flexion involves decreasing the angle between two parts of the body, such as bringing the forearm closer to the upper arm. The opposite of flexion is extension, which involves increasing the angle between two parts of the body. Flexion plays an important role in many bodily movements, including walking, running, lifting, and reaching for objects.